Want unlimited money in your bank account at 0% interest? Today I'm going to teach you all about Weimer Method. Yes, that's right. This strategy can put 0% interest money in your bank account today. Well, how do you do it? I'm going to walk through a quick example. Okay, texting lead. This is the address, 13409 West Paint Street in Boise, Idaho. We got this under contract from a outbound text. Okay. What were the terms? Purchase price, $350,000. Seller finance deal, they didn't owe anything on the property, it was free and clear. We negotiated with the seller. You know what? The property's probably worth only about $375,000 as is. So there's not enough equity in this deal for a cash offer to work, for a novation to work, for anything to work, right? In order for us to be able to come up all the way to your asking price of $350,000, let's make payments to you over time, okay? $35,000 down to the seller. So we have a remaining seller note at $315,000 owed to the seller. Instead of going to a Chase, Wells Fargo, any local bank, I'm just making payments to the seller every single month, okay? That's a seller finance deal. So we owe $315,000 remaining on the seller note, right? This is where it gets really fun. We are going to take that $315,000 that we owe to the seller, and at closing, we're going to do a substitution of collateral agreement. Now, I can take that $315,000 and voila, I can put it against a fourplex that I already own. I can say, hey, title company, I don't want to put this $315,000 against the Paint Street property, and I've already cleared it with the seller in my underlying contract. I'm going to put it in second position against my fourplex. Why? Because I have $550,000 of equity, right? So there's plenty of equity that I can put this note in second position, and the seller's going to be totally cool with it. There's plenty of equity in the event something happens or a meteor hits the fourplex and there's an earthquake and everything goes to shit, right? Okay, now, why in the world would I do this? Well, now, this property is completely free of any note. So when I own the property now, it looks like there's nothing owed against it. What can I do then? Well, I can list the property for sale at $375,000, which was the market value. After realtor fees and commissions, on paper, I'm making $0, right? I'm making $0. My purchase price was $350,000. I'm selling it for $375,000. I got realtor fees, I got realtor commissions, I got closing costs. I'm going to net roughly $0 on my profit and loss statement. But what's going to happen on the closing statement is now I'm going to get $350,000 cash into my bank account. What can I use that for? I can use that to hire more people. I can use it to reinvest into marketing. I can pay off any first position debt. I can pay off any notes that I want to. And I keep the power of this 0% interest note payments to the seller while getting all my money up front. This is called the Weimer Method, and not many people are talking about it or doing it right now, but it's something that we're teaching. If you want to be a part of the Real Freedom community, make sure you like and subscribe below or shoot me a message to learn all about this. Comment below if you have any questions about this specific deal. I'll be happy to help you.